Potentially somebody that's well off. He or she is sitting on their throne and they have more than enough to sustain themselves. Full thing of food in the back, enough to drink, a house, a roof over their head, a nice little throne, sees with his or her third eye very well, and speaks the truth with love. This could be somebody that you are, or somebody that's coming in towards you. If it's meant to be, it'll be. Prosperity, property, home. One more. Almost there. Then I'm going to have to head home, upload these videos. Come on. One more. Queen of Swords. Same woman can also be somebody that is not afraid to speak her truth or cut you down with words. Somebody that'll stand her ground, that also reaps the rewards and harvest of the seeds that she's sown. Do not mess with the Queen of Swords. So we got a Queen of Coins and a Queen of Swords. Maybe it's two women together. It's not unheard of. You have a masculine energy and a feminine energy. Quite possible. Like I said, no judgment here. But definitely go within and do what you need to do for you, okay? Hopefully that makes sense.